How often have you found a knitting pattern that you love and the yarn is either no longer available or it's out of your budget? Use the Knitting Toolkit Gauge Conversion tool and take the plunge and substitute your choice of yarn for the pattern. Start by knitting a good size swatch and measure over 4 inches. Enter your gauge in the tool. Then copy the pattern's gauge. Tap Create the instructions, and the tool provides you with a multiplier for both stitches and rows. Next, examine your pattern. In our example, we are instructed to cast on 84 stitches. We'll use our multiplier to determine the number of stitches to cast on. If you count rows while you're knitting, you can also use the row multiplier to convert the same way. Using both the stitch and row multipliers, recalculate the instructions in your pattern and use any yarn you like. Look for all of the tools in the Knitting Toolkit. It's the no math solution to help you customize your knitting.